guys, welcome to another video, and in this video we are playing another ad. We're playing the Battle Cats again because we haven't been playing the Battle Cats, I guess. Maybe. I think that's what I think. But yeah guys, we are playing again. Spit it all over the screen. So we are playing again the Battle Cats. And today we're gonna use even more XP. We're gonna use another 88,000 or 89,000 more worth of XP again. So what we're gonna do with it is we're gonna upgrade some stuff with our 89 and 911 thing. So yeah. Wait. Let's do this. So we already got 2 max leveled characters. 2 max leveled cats. And let's make it 3. So let's upgrade this to the max. So we got ourselves a brave cat. So that's in. But it's not in use. Try to upgrade our gross cat to its max. And it can. Okay. I think that's fine. And we got a worker cat wallet, level 10, max leveled. Oh man, so much. Max leveled. Man. So yeah guys, we already used most of it. Not all of it. So we're gonna try to attack. To attack a person. And I haven't actually fought Spain yet. Oh wait, I remember Spain. This is so hard, so I hope we can do this a lot quicker. Yep, there's the crocodiles. So let's spawn in these wall cat or punch cat kind of thing. And let's see how long they can survive. Let's place in some more. Let's place in another wall cat right here. Let's place another punch cat. I'm just gonna call it punch cat. Don't know why. But let's place a bean cat. I think that's a bean cat. And yeah, we're doing pretty good. Let's place another punch cat. Just need. Oh no. There comes the walrus. Place one of these wall cats. Go. Place another bean cat. Let's fire this baby up. There we go. Okay. And we're doing pretty good. It's lagging kind of bit. That's fine. Let's try to. Come on. Need these guys dead. I need this. Come on. There we go. Okay. I'm just actually randomly pressing everything to check if I can get them. Actually, not doing bad. But I really hope I can defeat this walrus. I hate walruses. Not in real life though. I hate it in the game. Because it's so hard to beat. But in real life I love walruses. Oh yes! We defeated the walrus. I think we're gonna win Spain. I think we will, guys. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. And we're just doing the front row stuff. So basically we're doing good. Not doing bad. Doing pretty good. Let's fire this baby up. Boom. All of you are dead. All of you are dead. There we go. Man, we're doing so good. There we go. Let's use another bull. Let's use another bull cat. Right here. Man, they're really pushing. They ain't defeating me, bro. Sorry. Let's choose another bull cat right here. Man, we're gonna win this for sure. No doubt. Maybe, I think. Hope so, though. Let's get ourselves a Titan cat. There we go. Now that's way stronger. Man, we're so strong. Titan cat's here. Oh, yeah. Here we go. We'll win, we'll win. Don't worry. Boom. We just defeated 10,000. We just gained 10,000. Cats love cat food. Cheers to cat food. Cheers to cat food. Wow. We did it. And they're still friends. I thought we'll be in the second part now. So yeah, guys, that was me using lots of XP. Wait, I just finished this up. Finish this up, guys. So no, let's not use it for that. Let's use it for the efficiency. Definitely. Right, guys, so there's so much maxed up stuff. That's what I'm gonna say. That's what this title's gonna be. So I hope you like this episode, guys. Give me a thumbs up in this video. Wait, there's 1, 2, 3. Wait. 3, 4, 5. So I'm gonna say 5 max. 5 maxed up. 5 maxed up upgrades. So yeah, guys, I hope you like this episode, guys. Give me a thumbs up for this video. Subscribe to my channel. Follow me in Instagram. My name is Gaming with Luis, and there might be a chance that we might chat in Messenger. My name is Overwatch76. So yeah, guys, peace out and goodbye. Check out my other videos and I hope you guys are looking forward to see the next video.